The howl of the wolf fills a lonely canyon high above the desert land they call Chakotay. The flint strikes the steel, a cloud conceals the final stand, and the noble fall of the great here. Stay safe, stay warm, and you stay free with Chakotay Outdoor Recreation.
Hey, Bill here with Chakotay Outdoor Recreation. So, you've been watching the channel a while. You know I've had the same Flintlock for a number of years. Well, recently I broke the frizzen spring. I was trying to change out the frizzen, and I got smart and I thought I'll take some pliers, and I pressed this frizzen spring and I broke it. So I needed a new lock for my rifle. And I wanted an L&R lock, and as you know, they're pretty costly. I didn't end up getting that. What I got was I got this whole new rifle. This is a Hopkins Allen's 45, and absolutely gorgeous. Has an L&R lock replacement, and just an awesome, beautiful rifle. Barrel's already brown. There's none of that pesky writing on it, you know, about use only black powder. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous rifle, something I never thought I'd own. And this is what I ended up with. It's got a single trigger, so no set trigger, but you don't really need it. This is a pretty fast lock, this L&R replacement lock. So stick with me, this ought to get pretty interesting.
Stay safe, stay warm, stay free.
it?
Say,
What is it?
hey, why it's Buttercup. Popcorn, add sweet cream butter to hot popcorn. Mix it up, wrap it up, Buttercup is born.
It's delicious.
So nutritious.
It's a taste delight.
It's so munchy,
Crisp and crunchy.
you'll enjoy each bite. Eat butter-drenched Buttercup, popcorn at its best.
Served in a king-size cup.
It beats all the rest.
Stay safe, stay warm, stay free.